Welcome to our video on operational amplifiers in medical applications. In this video, we will explore the significance of operational amplifiers, commonly known as op-amps, in the field of medicine. Op-amps are electronic components that play a vital role in enhancing signal processing and accuracy in medical devices and systems. So, let's dive in. Importance of operational amplifiers in medical applications. Op-amps are highly versatile and efficient devices used in various medical applications. Their primary function is to amplify and process electrical signals, enabling accurate measurements and analysis. Let's take a closer look at why op-amps are crucial in the medical field. Signal amplification and sensitivity. One key advantage of op-amps is their ability to amplify weak electrical signals generated by the human body. Medical instruments often encounter signals with low magnitudes, such as the electrical impulses in ECGs or brain activity measurements. Op-amps provide the necessary gain to ensure these signals can be accurately measured and analyzed. Low noise characteristics. In medical applications, precise measurements are crucial. Op-amps with low noise characteristics are employed to minimize unwanted interference and ensure accurate signal processing. This feature helps medical devices provide reliable and high-quality data for diagnosis and treatment. High precision and stability. Op-amps are designed to offer high precision and stability, making them ideal for medical instruments. Precision is vital in measurements like blood pressure, oxygen saturation, or medication dosages. The stability of op-amps ensures consistent performance over time and varying conditions, guaranteeing accurate and reliable results. Operational amplifier applications in medical devices. Let's explore some specific applications of op-amps in medical devices where their unique capabilities are invaluable. Patient monitoring equipment. Op-amps are extensively used in patient monitoring equipment such as ECG machines, pulse oximeters, and blood pressure monitors. They amplify the weak electrical signals from the body, enabling medical professionals to monitor vital signs accurately. Medical imaging devices. Op-amps play a critical role in medical imaging devices like ultrasound machines and MRI scanners. They process and amplify signals received from the body, allowing for precise imaging and diagnosis. Signal conditioning and filtering. Op-amps are often employed in signal conditioning and filtering circuits. They help remove unwanted noise, interference, or artifacts from the signals, ensuring clearer and more accurate data for analysis. Conclusion and summary. To summarize, operational amplifiers are essential components in medical applications. Their high gain, low noise, precision, and stability make them ideal for amplifying weak signals, ensuring accurate measurements, and enhancing signal processing capabilities. Whether it's patient monitoring equipment, medical imaging devices, or signal conditioning circuits, op-amps play a crucial role in the accuracy and reliability of medical instruments. With their contributions, medical professionals can provide better healthcare and improve patient outcomes. Thank you for watching our video on operational amplifiers in medical applications. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Stay tuned for more exciting videos. Until next